Hello guys and welcome back to another amazing episode on DashCam channel. Today we prepared a really cool episode full of all sorts of crazy moments captured on Java's dashcam, so make sure to sit tight and enjoy the show.
Blood and treasure, whether or not it's in direct America's interest. Okay, those are the open lines we make, and I think Tucker's interview in Dubai sort of brought these to the fore. So again, he's being interviewed by an Egyptian journalist named Iman Eldin Adib, and here's the clip.
This video is a prime example of how rude and cheeky some drivers are. After getting their driver's license, they think they can park however and wherever they please. And in these instances, well, the camera caught them red-handed. Make sure to learn out of these mistakes, guys, and park properly. My guess is that the driver at the top of the queue was in the left-only lane, and he changed his mind for some odd reason, and therefore he was noticed positioned really weird. Driver that's on the right side of the camera had all the space behind him, but no, he needed to get in front of everyone after merging recklessly across lanes. It's common knowledge that whenever you pump your gas, you need to put the gas hose back to its place. Unfortunately, this truck driver forgot it, and to make things even worse, he was driving on the road with a gas hose.
Separating. She glanced up at me and smiled. Her pale green eyes flicked over me and the smile deepened.
Stealing never pays off, and in this clip you'll see exactly why. Thief tried to steal something, and let's just say that it did not go as planned.
It's unbelievable how a lot of drivers nowadays lack the patience to wait. If this isn't one of the rudest and most self-entitled moves, then I don't know what is. The semi-truck driver that's in front of the camera behaved as if the trucker that was behind him didn't even exist.
Seriously?
In this situation here, a crazy semi-truck driver ran a red light. This was as careless as can get, and he nearly caused a heavy accident as well. Cameron was just minding his own business and driving around during the night, when all of a sudden, this crazy semi-truck driver appeared on his left side and he forced him out of the road completely for some unknown reason. Just because you are driving a big and a huge vehicle like a semi-truck, that doesn't give you the right to blow through the intersection like it belongs to you.
What is nuclear fusion? What do we have nuclear power now, right? Oh, we do. We are
hydrogen in the case of the announcement of helium, and it releases energy.
If you ever played around with magnets.
This driver was being way too impatient for his own good, and he broke the speed limit in this area, but a cop caught his speed on the radar and immediately pulled him over.
Access to healthcare and nutritious food in communities of color has never been more essential. That's why Bank of America is investing $1 billion to advance rates. It's just one way my teammates and I are taking action in Seattle right now.
And with this video, we conclude another amazing episode on JUAN channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, maybe learning a thing or two based on how to behave in traffic. If you like this type of content, support us with a like because that will mean the world to us. And while you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button as well. Until the next episode, drive safe and stay safe.